The opinions and views expressed by guests on the Bold Stars podcast do not necessarily reflect the opinions and views of the show's hosts, the Bold Stars Productions, or the streaming platforms on which the podcast is aired. Similarly, the opinions and views expressed by the hosts do not necessarily reflect those of their respective companies, workplaces, represented organizations, the Bold Stars Productions, or the streaming platforms airing the podcast. Audience discretion is highly encouraged.
Hey, humans!
Welcome back!
Here once again, orbiting fresh topics and landing on the ones that spark change. Welcome to our safe space. This is Eds, and we are the Bold Stars Podcast.
Welcome back to the Bold Stars Podcast. My name is Dana, always ready to shake things up. What's up? We wanna make sure blended tayo, guys. Ayan. Habang inaayos ni Eds yung recording, blend muna tayo, ganyan. Gusto niyo ba yung podcast na may konting makeup tutorial? Comment below.
One cosmos, countless constellations. Here we spark brave questions and bold conversations. This is the Bold Stars Planting, the universes, galaxies and beyond. Come on in, let's talk.
Alam mo, naalala ko tuloy, nung bata pa ako, alam mo yung mga Nintendo, o yun, napaghahalata ng edad, yung Nintendo na
May Nintendo
na
pa rin
games.
ngayon. Mas
Oo.
mas mahal na nga lang.
Yung, alam mo yung pag hinihit mo yung reset ng console, ganyan. Console, pag hinit mo yung reset, para siyang, yung parang magbabalik siya dun sa level kung nasaan ka, yung ganyan. Yung mga natapos mo na, ganyan. So, parang
Babalik
nakakainis.
siya sa level 1?
Oo, nakakainis minsan. Kasi
Ano ba
you accidentally touch it, ganyan. Tapos nag-reset siya. Mga Starlings, naranasan niyo ba yun sa mga nakalaro ng mga lumang
Fun fact, di ako
console?
nakapaglaro niyan masyado.
Yun
Parang
nga.
nakikinood lang ako kasi bawal daw, bobobo daw ako.
Ha?
Uy.
Sino may sabi niyan? Ipakausap mo nga sa akin. Sino may sabi niyan?
We don't talk to her anymore eh.
Oh! Teka. Okay, anyway, wag na tayo dyan sa sa part na yan. Pero yun nga, sa mga nakakaalam ng mga lumang console, di ba medyo pag nasagi mo yung reset, wala na. Burado na siya, rugas siya. Nakakalungkot. Kaya ayoko ng mga reset na
gagawin mo
ganyan.
pag ganun? Pag nare-reset?
Wala, balik ka ulit. Gagawin
play ka
mo ulit. Yes.
Ulit-ulit.
Yes.
Pero, sabi
Ikaw?
nga nila starting over again. Charing.
Starting over. Alam mo, minsan din talaga, yung starting over again, meron din talaga siyang
Meron din talaga,
positive effect, no?
Hmm.
May dinudulto sa kagandahan. No?
May, sometimes may mga circumstances na talagang you just need to start over again.
Ikaw, you have problems with starting over
Wala.
again. With things like,
If there's a thing about me,
talaga
I
ha?
actually enjoy it. Oh, girl. You know why? Parang ganito kasi.
Wala, bumuelo pa siya. Teka, sandali.
Ayos talaga. Game na ba? Ito na ba yun? Teka. Ito kasi yan. Minsan kasi parang, di ba, ariba ka. Well, for me, as a, risk taker and everything, go, di ba? Tapos parang kapag you hit a wall or something, parang, hindi, tsaka, ulit tayo. Parang okay lang. Kasi, when you start over again, parang, you don't start from zero. Kasi parang you gain a skill already. You know the strategy. You have better strategy. You have fresh eyes. That's how I see it. So, both sa laro man to ng virtual or totoong buhay, yun, it never nakakapagod, oo, but then again you learn new strategies how to go about it. So yun ang path, depende sa path mo yan. Yun lang naman yung sister. Oo.
Yeah, ako, realization ko lang na siguro ng mga bata tayo, like, we don't like, or we're not a huge fan of redoing things. Kaya sa school, ganyan. Pag sinabi ng teacher mo, gawin mo ulit yung essay mo from the very beginning. Okay, di ba? Like gawin mo itong pag you're solving math problem, you start from the scratch, clean slate, ganyan, gagawin mo ulit, ganyan, or kailangan mo ulit i-redo, gawin mo ulit, reboot, ganyan.
I like it.
Nung bata.
Oo.
Pero alam mo,
yes, yun.
Na-realize ko, kung papatapusin mo ako, na-realize ko,
Akala ko kasi patapos na. Sorry naman. Go.
na-realize ko na ngayon na matanda ka na, or you reach a certain age,
You're wiser.
oo, when you've lived your years, ganyan, ma-realize mo na parang sana mabigyan ka ng lahat ng opportunity to restart, to reboot, to redo.
Oo. I like, kaya ako na umariba. Kasi natawa ako doon sa sinabi mo na when you were younger. You know why? Kasi when I was younger too, parang I had this timeline. Kaya parang ayaw mo na ulitin. Kasi parang, dapat tapos ko na to by this time. You have this timeline for yourself na ayoko na ulitin to kasi tapos na dapat by this time achieve ko na to. You feel like you're always running out of time. But now that you've lived your years, you realize, I always have a chance to do things differently. Diba? Parang you can always start again, actually.
Kaya nga sa episode na to, pag-uusapan natin more about hitting reset and why rebirth matters.
I love it!
Before we continue with the podcast, let's take a moment to acknowledge and thank our partners and sponsors for making this show possible. We'll be right back shortly.
Freshly ground beans warming up my heart. Brewing starts now, the steam begins to rise. Sip it slow, let the magic mesmerize. Every drop, every taste, it's like a dream. Coffee, babe, you're my morning beam.
We are a home-based coffee shop. We offer espresso coffee, hot and iced lattes, non-coffee drinks, and overloaded sandwiches. You can find us at Lot 25K, Sandoval Avenue, San Miguel, Pasig City, Philippines. You can contact us at 0916-965-0105. Coffee Bam, your daily caffeine kick.
It's like a rhythm, a melody we meet. Pour it in.
Category is Reboot!
The power of a fresh start.
What category are we on right now? What category?
And since we're talking about hitting reset, ganyan, starting all over again, first quarter ng taong to, 2025, full packed. Lagi naman talagang ang January super haba, no? And I think when this episode is going to be released somewhere, probably February na. But if you're gonna look back, January, super tagal. Na parang, ano ba? January pa din.
Ang dami nang nangyari. Para tayong nasa episode ng Mara Clara. Para isang buong taon siya ng Mara Clara yun dyan.
That's true. Nabasa nga ako sa
Parang may
Facebook.
nakidnap, may ano na nangyari, may, Diyos ko, girl.
Tawag ito, meron nga ako, thank you January, 365 over 365.
Oo, me, legit. Totoo, parang gusto ko na gawa na, and for the season. Yung ganon.
True. Parang pag nag-reset ka ng button minsan, sabi ko nga kanina, before tayo mag-cut ng first gap, it is really scary. Diba? It is really scary because hindi mo alam minsan kung ano ba, magkasayang ba ako ng oras o nasayang na yung oras ko because I am hitting reset. Ganyan. But the question here is, na nasa isip ko is, takot ba tayo na mag-redo or mag-start over again, mag-hit reset or mag-reboot because takot tayo na ma-realize na we have failed over and over again?
Okay. Ako hindi ko masabi na natakot ako or may takot ako to start again. If anything, ako lang to guys ha. If anything, I'm always excited. Like, I always have that space. Or, lagi akong kasama sa option na maybe I have to rethink it, you know, in a different way. Mga ganyan. Maybe new approach. For sure, of course, kung business things or work work-related stuff, it's not advisable kasi syempre, definitely that's a waste of time and time is money, especially on business. But, for example, if it's an approach to your career path or, may mga bagay kang tinatry sa buhay, ako talaga meron lang akong perspective na kung the first try hindi nag-workout, so maybe I need to adjust something. So, I don't have that fear. I don't have that fear to start from zero. Kasi again, parang, na, itong approach na, it's not gonna work. So, maybe try a different one. So, ikaw, I don't think you have. Pero yun nga.
Depende. Sometimes life would force you to really make that reboot, ganyan. Starting over again, ganyan. Minsan di mo naman talaga gusto. It's just life forces you to. Kaya doon mo malalaman na parang there is a greater force behind, in this world, like in the life that we live in, na talagang ipupush ka niya dun sa path na you're destined to walk on. Ganyan. Na sa ayaw mo't sa gusto, marireboot ka. No matter what
Yun nga,
happens, kahit
totoo din.
ayaw mo, talagang pipilitin ka ng
parang,
mga
dito
sitwasyon.
na naman tayo, yung ganyan. Siguro, I get that feeling, especially mga medical stuff, or give ko na yung mga document processing. Marami kasing examples ng starting over again. Parang, start na naman ako sa una? Or are you kidding me? Kasi hindi ako patient when it comes sa mga forms or whatever. But for example, medical stuff, it's frustrating. It can be frustrating. Oh, 'di ba? May ganun talaga. And I think we need to normalize that feeling of frustration na parang kumbaga, for lack of better words, nakakabobo naman to. Ito na naman. Like, are you sure? But,
Pero di ba parang meron ngayon parang nabasa ko na burnt toast theory. Correct me if I'm wrong, no?
Yeah.
Yung kapag there are things that don't go your way and then kaya you missed a flight or something na gusto mong gawin pero hindi mo magawa, ganyan, and you have to like start from the very beginning, from the scratch, ganyan. So meron kasing path that is already set before us and our only role is to take that path.
Totoo.
But like nakakatakot siya kasi minsan parang siguro sa mga listeners who could relate to this na nakakatakot, nagigising ka isang araw tapos sabihin mo na, ay, yung marriage ko for like 15-20 years did not work. It's a failure. Parang I regret, ganyan. I failed it. So bakit pa ako magsa-start ulit ng panibagong relationship if yung 15 years na yun nasayang na investing in wrong people. Ganyan.
Although if you think about it, pero hindi mo siya makikita while you're going through it. Like, while things are unfolding throughout that rebirth and reset period, I think kasi there's a phase na talagang you grieve yung ininvest mo. You grieve yung effort na ininvest mo dun sa tao, dun sa time na to for this project, specifically, for example, 'di ba? Parang nasayang to. Parang umasa ka na din. May ganun din kasi 'di ba? This is gonna work out and everything kasi you plot everything, 'di ba? But you're right. There is something greater than us na may path for you yung burnt toast theory. I like that to kasi yung sabi ko, may tina-timestamp ka kasi parang gusto mo at this time, nandito ka na, may specific things ka na, you plot things for yourself. Pero again, God is laughing at us, di ba nga, sabi nila. Dahil nandun na tayo sa mga parts ng buhay natin na parang gusto mo bang ulitin or ayaw mo na bang ulitin? If there's, di ba? Ako may ganyan parang gusto ko ba ito ulitin?
Meron
diba?
naman. Let's admit it to ourselves. Meron.
Pero yun nga, if there's one thing in your life that you secretly wish you could delete, ayan, ganda. Gusto ko yung may option, delete and reboot. What would that be for you? It could be, New Year's resolution, or a decision, or a career path, whatever.
Okay.
Ay, saya.
Hala, bakit ganun? Bakit may pag-iisip?
Iniisip ko.
Iniisip
Hindi ko binasa tong tanong mo, pero yeah.
iniisip ko, no, if there's something that I want to, maybe not delete, kasi sabi nga natin, di ba, parang if it's destined to happen, it's going to happen no matter how hard you
din.
try. No matter how hard you avoid or, do things just to skip that. Laging mangyayari. But anyway, siguro I could reboot, maybe if I could redo things, probably I'd say having a healthier diet. Kasi, ang hirap pala mag-lose ng weight kapag you reach a certain age. Na parang, kapag you're stressed at work, ganyan, food is your go-to thing. Eating is your go-to activity. And
Your
unfortunately,
go-to and your comfort, di ba? Parang iba yung comfort na bibigay sa'yo ng food.
so very wrong yun. Na parang siguro, if I had to redo things, I'd say na parang I'd find a different outlet when I'm stressed and not to eat, ganyan. Yun.
Ganda.
Ikaw, how was it?
Nag-iisip ako, ano kayang aspect pipiliin ko? Yung wholesome o digestible or I have a few in mind. Pero siguro ngayon iniisip ko kung meron man akong I will not delete. Para tayo nasa we can't be friends ni Ariana Grande. Eternal Sunshine. I will not delete but I will reboot. Or if I could restart, ganyan. Siguro, nag-aral talaga ako ng Broadcom. Yung mga ganun. Feeling ko, I would really want to explore it. Pero I know I have time. Like, I can still,
Yeah.
work on that. More on the comms side of things.
Tsaka iba na
Kaya parang-
kasi ngayon yung diba?
Iba
Yung
na ngayon.
schooling na parang you could even finish a degree in 2 years.
Correct.
Alam mo yun?
So, siguro, I would pursue something in that, in that area before yun. Kung meron ako i-reboost. Pero yeah, I have time. Yeah. That's what I tell myself. I have time. We have time.
Tsaka another phase din, no, ng reboot, no, is this word called reinvention, ganyan. And we always hear about reinvention. Yung ibang mga tao, they would do things all over again. They would have a restart and reset the button because they wanted to reinvent themselves. And walang masama sa reinvention. Kaya in the Bold Stars, diba, we are reinventing ourselves, diba? This podcast has evolved, I'd say, from the very awkward to the very uptight and structured and gigil na gigil. Ganyan. And now we're
Galit na galit.
Diba? May mga ganun tayong mga era, diba? Season 4 yun.
Kasi dala natin yung pinagdadaanan natin. Oo, guys, kung alam nyo lang talaga.
Pero yung
Diba?
yung real transformation ba, does it happen when we embrace yung starting over again? Yung ibig sabihin yung parang yung pag ma-reinvent mo na ba yung sarili mo when you've started to realize and accept na kailangan kong magsimula ulit mula sa umpisa. No matter how long it's going to take again.
I think, yes.
Start
alam
from
mo,
number 1
minsan
ulit.
ano yung number 1?
No, I'm just saying
I'm
I'm just saying na parang kung start sa number 1 ka ulit, yung parang ganun.
I think sa akin na, alam mo yung kapag siguro sobrang hilig ko manood ng mga, yung mga sci-fi movie. Alam mo yung pag sa mga aircraft, di ba? Yung meron kang i-override. Parang ganon. Feeling ko,
gusto ko yun.
override.
Naka-excite yun.
Pa-void please, sabi ko ni Jollibee. Pa-void please, sabi ni Ate Cashier. Parang minsan, di ba? I think, sa akin based sa mga napagdaanan natin in life, minsan talaga, siguro, na things happen for you to have that skill and that strength and that allowance for mistakes for yourself. Yung to have that grace na, okay, yung ma-reach mo yung when you hit a wall, parang, hindi pala talaga to dapat, mali pala ako dito. So, feeling ko nangyayari lang din talaga siya na hinayaan ka na, sige, gawin mo yan, push ka dyan. Tapos, just for you to see how things would unfold na, nope, there's another way to do it, na, no, you can start again. na magkaroon ng
Yeah.
different approach. So, ganun lang. Parang
Pero kasi
acceptance.
yung struggle kasi dyan yung parang kunyari, 5 years yung pinaghirapan. Be it,
Ayun lang.
be it workplace or
Again,
career
yes.
or
Nakaka-frustrate,
relationship, friendship,
diba?
na parang, ano ba yan? Tagal na
Yes.
yung magkaibigan tapos matatapos na itong parang sayang, sana in-invest ko na
Diba
pala sa
nga?
iba.
Unfolding.
Diba?
And when it comes to relationships, ang dami ring aspect kasi there's always a chance na akala mo, sabay kayong nag-grow, tapos biglang, ay, iba yung path niya, iba yung path ko. Be it friendship or work relationship, or kahit sa mag-asawa, di ba? Kaya things end. And it's in the unfolding na wala tayong control kasi we all go through the same thing. The same process. You need to go through that process.
I agree.
Diba? Kasi talagang yun. So, you will never know.
Meron din kasing angulo na parang yes, super excited ka and super enthusiastic ka to reinvent. Tapos,
Sure
pew!
ka. Oo.
Tapos in the end na parang, ay, hindi pala ito swak.
Di pala
Ito,
talaga siya.
dapat pala talaga hindi na lang ako nag-reinvent. Dapat pala talaga hindi na ako nag-reboot. But,
Or,
more often than not, I'd say, in my personal experience and sa nangyayari sa paligid ko, there is more value in taking a risk. It's worth to take risk to restart and reboot and just
yeah.
hit starting all over again button than to just get stuck in your current and present miserable situation.
Kasi nga sabi ng Coldplay, if you never try, you'll never know. And I think,
Agree.
ang dami mong, it is really frustrating like to start again. But you'll never know talaga, parang hindi mo siya madidiscover hanggat hindi mo siya pinagdaanan. And I think for us Filipinos,
Yeah.
hindi siya ganun kadali to do that. Like,
Oo.
I think I'm gonna move to this, ganito, ganyan. Di ba ganyan? Kasi at lalo ngayon, lalo na sa generation
I agree.
ngayon, di ba? Na parang, I'm gonna move, I wanna be a digital nomad. Di ba? Ganun na yung lifestyle. I want this kind of lifestyle. I want to try this and that. It's not easy for Filipinos. Like, let me just put it out there.
Oo.
Hindi siya madali.
I agree.
Pero yun nga, be it sa passport, be it sa kultura natin, sa Filipino families, it's not easy. Hello? Diba? Hindi siya, parang, mag-shift
we
nga lang
going
ng
there?
course. Mag-shift lang ng course, diba? Hindi siya
Oo.
ganun kadali. Parang gapang me. Kahit 2025, I think it's still there. Like, rooted talaga siya sa DNA siya ng pagiging Pilipino.
Yeah.
But do you think, there's
Oo.
a chance na for Filipino culture, will be more open-minded, or do you think talagang stick pa rin tayo sa tradition natin?
I think
How do you see it?
ano na natin yun, 'di ba? Parang naka-ingrained na yun sa mga veins natin na parang for example, meron kang TV, 'di ba? Na 32 inches.
I love it.
Nakita mo yung kapitbahay mo, nag-64. Syempre ikaw gusto mo mag-upgrade ka din. 'Di ba? Yan yung kind of parang reinvention na parang ay, gusto ko ng bagong TV, so bibili ako.
Parang inggit
kahit
naman na yan.
uutang. Di ba, you get it? Yung parang, kasi di ba, sometimes it's like that, right? We think na parang,
okay to. Yung
this
path
is-
nito, okay to sa akin.
this is the time to evolve. This is the time to reinvent myself. And I will invest and spend all my resources not to make myself better, but to show myself that I'm better than others. Diba?
Iba naman yan. Iba naman. Kanya-kanyang intention nga.
Diba? That's yun nga, maganda yung sinabi mo na intention. Kasi diba, anong intention mo kung bakit ka? Kung bakit ka diba? Diba? I mean, ikaw ba, can you name like one thing na masasabi mo na parang, oh, you've reinvented, even this the smallest thing that you can think of na parang, kasi for example, ako, parang inisip ko na parang, sometimes I have like a bad haircut. And I'm like, okay, hindi ito ang nababagay
Okay.
sa mukha ko.
Go me.
Ganyan. Ikaw ba meron kang something na parang, oops, tinry ko pero hindi pala talaga
Alam mo yung
ubra.
ano mo pa rebranding, ganyan.
Oo,
Parang,
sobra ka na.
I think during my 20s. Feeling ko during my 20s, I've done different things. Like, lahat na. Parang sobrang explorer ako eh. Nung time na yun. Parang lahat explore ko. Bagay. May bangs, walang bangs, short hair, red hair, blonde. Parang lahat na try ko. Tapos, kasi syempre, I think it comes with age. Pero if there's specific thing na parang intention na gusto ko lang talagang subukan, pero it worked out for me. Sa akin naman na, yung parang from being a teacher to the career that I have now.
Yeah.
Na, I think yun naman yung, it paid off for me. Parang,
Mas maraming
okay.
return of investment.
Oo. Parang, you just really need to take risk. And again, part siya ng reinvention kasi parang, nung nagpunta ako sa field ko ngayon, parang wala akong idea at all. Hindi nga ito course ko or whatever.
Okay.
As in, apply, go, try, interview, go. Ganun lang. As in.
Okay,
So,
that's
yun.
nice.
Yun. So,
Diba?
ang intention ko is mabuhay.
Intention
Ang
mabuhay.
intention ko, mabuhay.
To survive.
Kumita ng pera.
To dream,
Survival.
believe, survive.
Exactly.
Starstruck.
Walang kahit anong pagpapanggap.
Oo
at
nga, no? Tama ka. Ano
Survival.
napaisip ko? Siguro kasi pinalaki tayo ng Starstruck. Relating to Filipino pop culture, no? To
Culture,
dream.
oo.
Like, the dream tayo,
Believe.
di ba? Tapos, pinaniniwalaan natin yung dream na yun. Di ba?
Delulu. Ako na yung pinaka-delulu sa lahat, girl. Like, bata pa, delulu.
And then, after you dream and believe, tapos parang minsan hindi naman nag-succeed, you just want to survive.
Ito na lang, sample ng delulu. Ba't ako mag-apply ng ESL teacher? Di naman ako teacher. Girl!
Oh, diba?
Oh, wala
Diba?
po ako ibang intention kung hindi mabuhay.
Di ba? To survive. Kaya nga dun sa mga, tapos ito pa, minsan sabihin nila parang, paano ako mag-a-apply ng visa? Wala naman akong ganito, wala naman akong ganyan. Just go and try. Just take
Diba?
risk.
Correct.
Diba? Tapos may pa isa, ba't ako mag-a-apply ng visa, na-deny na ako ng one, so ma-deny ka na lang forever in your life? Try again. Restart your visa application. Diba?
Kaya alam mo, hindi ako makarelate sa mga kwento na naiinggit sa ganito, sa ganyan. Kasi parang, bago ko mainggit yung survival ko muna iisipin ko. Alam mo yun? At a very young age yun.
Yeah.
Yun talaga.
Pero yun nga, parang naisip ko lang, parang tayo kaya, no, kapag if you wanna go back in time, let's say, and parang you have an opportunity to talk to your younger self. Kasi we had an episode na parang, you talk to your inner child, diba? When you talk to your younger self,
Yes.
and then you could have the opportunity to have a pep talk, with yourself. Ganyan. Kasi minsan kasi, ito lang nga, ito struggle to ha. Kapag tingin ka sa salamin, ito sabihin na parang you look at yourself, tapos you talk to yourself, tinry ko yan. Siguro a couple of times. So parang minsan, dumating ako sa point na parang, ano ba yan? Para naman akong engot, ganyan.
Totoo.
Dumating ako parang, no, this is not working for me. This is too,
narcissist na naman. Pero ako talagang kinakausap
This is-
ko yung sarili ko like
wait,
that.
muna. Kasi
As in, like-
too theatrical, I'd say. I'd say I could write to
Because
myself.
I'm Galenda.
But na... Self-proclaimed Galinda.
Go. Sis. So,
yun
hindi
nga.
mo kaya.
So hindi,
Oo,
medyo
hindi mo kaya.
parang, pero siguro I could write, ganyan. But anyway, if you can have
Naiisip ka. Oo.
if you can have a pep talk with someone, with
With your younger self.
with your younger self, ganyan. And you would talk about, the value of fresh start. Natingin mo, ano yung first line of advice that you would tell your younger self?
Fresh start.
Thinking about
Sa-
who you are right now, ha? So first, ang thought process dito is, talagang may thought process.
Gusto ko yan,
Ang-
as a teacher.
Ang thought
Go.
process dito is,
Lay it on me.
yeah, I'm going to shower you with all these thought processing strategies. So, parang isipin mo yung situation mo ngayon, 'di ba? And kung
Paano yung
i-relate mo,
nag-iisip?
bibigyan mo siya ng advice, yung younger self, o how you could cope better in your adult self, what would it be? Ano yung first advice mo to your younger self? Kasi you know your struggles, you know the things that's very challenging right now. So ibig sabihin, eto yung mga you're still working on it or you still have
Ako,
like,
alam mo, sasabihin ko sa kanya, chill ka lang, take your time. Yun. Kung sa strategy, parang don't be scared. Alam mo, ang dami ko pa kasing, nung bata ako, parang dami ko talagang doubts. Like, grabe talagang imposter syndrome. Hindi man halata, kasi nga sabi ko sa'yo, kailangan ko mabuhay, di ba? So, parang akala talaga, iba, go, go, go. Parang ako lahat, go, 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 yes to all talaga. Pero parang, you don't have to give all your yeses. Yun ang ano ko. Parang dati yes to all lang ako. Pero yun nga it comes with survival kasi. Survival instinct nung bata ako. Pero yun, parang you should value your yes and it's okay to say no. Yun.
Yeah. That's good.
Yun. Yun siya.
For me, I think an advice I'm going to give to myself would be parang actually dalawa siya. So pagbigyan niyo na ako. First is kilos-kilos,
Okay.
kumilos, and ask what you deserve.
Ay, ang taray. Oo nga, no, kasi alam mo, nung bata tayo, sa generation natin, wala tayong sense of entitlement na parang,
Yes.
diba, na
Unlike
you're not allowed
ngayon.
to say no. You're not allowed to ask for more. Kasi that's indulging. Diba?
Yes. Unlike ngayon, yung
Parang
mga
very
bata ngayon.
self-indulgent.
Mga bata
Oo.
ngayon, very self-entitled. Akala mo talagang they deserve everything. For us kasi
Empowered
parang,
sila kasi.
ewan ko, siguro sa mga Pilipino na mga kids in the 90s, ganyan 80s, parang nasanay tayo na parang lagi na pinapaalala sa atin every single day na parang we need to earn something before
Oo.
we deserve it.
Ganun. Parang prove your worth. Ganun palagi
Laging
kasi.
ganun, 'di ba? So parang ako siguro there are things na hindi ko na kailangang paghirapan and that I deserve. One of them, for example, is like self-acceptance, self-respect. Yan yung mga bagay na I deserve, 'di ba?
Kinikilabutan ako sa'yo, bakla. Oh, ganda.
Diba?
Kasi kinilabutan ako doon. Ganda.
Kasi parang how can you
Tama.
bakit hindi natin demand sa mga tao to give us that respect when all our lives they're asking us to respect them?
Kasi nga, ang respect, Marie Chris, hindi yan.
Yes.
Diba?
Naintindihan ko na ang respect is in-earn yan. Pero by default, I think it is important that we respect each other. Okay, we give the respect to each other, and I think yung term na ang respect in-earn yan is kung nawala na siya. Pero I think na parang by default, 'di ba? Kailangan
Human
nating
courtesy
magpakita
nga
ng
as a civilized person.
'di ba? And now if I show you respect and then you don't show the same thing, mawawala rin yung respect ko
Iba
sa
na
iyo, and
yun.
that's the time that you're gonna need to earn it.
Can we say na pangit yung pagiging self-entitled or self-indulgent ng generation ngayon? I won't say like 100% no, but if not for them, like this generation, like Gen Z and the rest, it allowed people to be open-minded. Kasi kung walang ganon, at hindi ganon kaingay yung generation ngayon, like social media, ito yung mga masabi kong power and transformation in the whole landscape of the world, na parang hindi mabubuksan yung isip natin about, respect, like what you're worth, if we did not see that change or that difference. Now, yung pag-fine-tune doon, it's it's your own self-development journey na. Pero, 'di ba? Ibang-iba talaga yung generation natin nun. So, that's ang ganda nun. Like, yung masasabi mo lang, 'di ba, sa younger self mo na, alam mo, you don't need to negotiate your worth.
True.
'Di ba?
I agree.
Yun. But, speaking of worth and reinvention, kung ikaw ay nandito na sa world ng mga Gen Z ngayong 2025, if there's something na you think, do we need to keep up with the times or we need to reboot the scope or sorry, the way we view ourselves?
Oh, That's
Ano
a
sa tingin mo?
very tricky
Do we
question.
need to keep up with the times or do we need to like siguro more on inject?
Okay.
You know, alam mo yung hybrid, parang ganon.
I'll be
What
talking.
is it that you want to inject?
Siguro
in the
ako,
present
I will
times?
I'm going to speak as a teacher. Ganyan.
Ay, I love it.
Sa tingin ko, there are still specific core values that we need to stick to and continue to pass on, like from one generation to the next. Keeping up with the times, I'd say, na would only be applicable when we are learning new values. Okay? Parang yung mga bagong mga kamalayan, kamulatan, ganyan. Yes, we can keep up with it. Pero there are specific core values, specific
Yes.
human values na hindi pwedeng mawala. 'Di ba? One example is sinasabi ko nga na parang respect sa elderly.
Yes,
Diba?
we touched on this, I think, season 4.
Right. Isa yan sa mga bagay na sa tingin ko hindi pwedeng mawala. 'Di ba?
Yun sa toxic Filipino culture and sa families,
Yeah,
diba?
I agree.
Oo,
Yes,
oo,
yes.
oo.
I think faithfulness is another thing na hindi pwedeng mawala, hindi pwedeng ma-compromise. And sa tingin ko yung mga yung alam ko na parang sobra na tong gasgas, pero resilience din talaga. Alam ko na palagi na lang natin sinasabi na okay, you should be resilient, ganyan, kahit ano mangyari. But I think sa panahon ngayon, yun talaga ang kailangan ng mga tao kasi the world is not getting any better, healthier, and colorful. Hindi siya ganun. It's everything na mga entertainment wise, yung mga distractions, technology, they're all smoke screen to what's really deteriorating sa society natin. So I think human core values, yun ang hindi pwedeng mawala. If we discover more values, then yun ang dapat nating panghawakan, ganyan.
And speaking of resiliency, I think ang na-notice ko rin kasi like in the sense of keeping up with the times, we really need to reshape, you know, some aspect of the way we view our society. We deal with the teenagers, we deal with the new generation. But with this generation, what we need to instill as well is grit. Kasi I noticed, because of their generation, everything is there. Like, may chat GPT, may AI, everything is in the fingertip. So, it's easy to quit. Parang, ayoko na nito. Yung andali nilang mabore sa mga bagay-bagay, like, not pushing towards a goal. Diba? So, hindi mo nakikita yung you don't see through things, like, to the end of your goal, diba? So, yung drive, parang madalas kasi, parang madaling ma-disappoint. Parang, ayoko, quit na ako. Diba? It's okay to quit if it's not really gonna work out for you. You know? But sometimes, nasa pa-approach ka pa lang, di ba? Pero, yun na pansin ko lang with this generation na parang grit and resiliency. Totoo.
Yeah, I agree. And yun nga, sabi ko nga kayo na parang there are really things na parang reinvention, reboot man yan, starting over again, na hindi mo man gusto, itutulak ka ng universe. And do you
galing.
believe that it's always going to be like that? Na parang lagi kang ipupush or darating yung time na parang sabi ng universe na parang bahala ka na dyan kung yung gusto mo. Kasi para sa akin, sa tingin ko, talagang pipilitin ka niya to lead you in that path. Para sa akin ha. I don't know with you Stardings, pero I don't know with
Most
you guys.
often than not.
Pero most often than not, sa experience ko ganun. Pipilitin ka niyang mapunta doon sa dapat na path. Kahit ano pang piliin
Alam mo,
mo.
dahil may over ako ng Interstellar, minsan naisip ko talaga na kahit escape mo, if it's really in your path to take on this project or to be this kind of person, kahit iba't ibang route pa yung gawin mo, it will lead you to the end, to the same end thing. Like, it's all gonna work out for you.
You think
Yun
so?
siya. Oh,
You think
well,
so?
sa akin lang to. Talagang, personal belief ko to. Parang, it's all gonna work out. Like,
Yeah.
kahit na ma-delay ka man, di ba? Ganyan, parang, hindi man mangyari yon sa time na gusto mo or akala mo this time mag-workout na siya, hindi pa. Pero kahit na magpaikot-ikot ka, ma-achieve mo pa rin siya. Parang if it's for you, it's for you. And you're not gonna miss it.
Yeah.
Yun.
Yeah. That's nice. Now, let's do one last exercise, let's say. Ganyan. Mind exercise,
Talagang free
ganyan.
therapy talaga to.
Yes.
Free therapy. Oh.
True. Ano yung isang area sa life mo ngayon that's like begging for renewal? Yung parang nagki-crave siya na for a change. You know what I mean?
Yan
Like,
ang buhay ko, nagkikrave ng change. Yung
Yes.
ano ko, yung hormones ko.
oh my gosh. Here we go
Hindi,
again.
lagi naman, may cycle naman yan. But, seriously,
Yung parang, gustong-gusto ko na tong magbago tong aspect na to and I can't wait.
alam mo yun, parang evolve na kasi ako masyado eh. Charing.
Wala.
Hindi.
Tapos na yung Avatar
Hindi.
season na.
Avatar na kasi ako eh.
Avatar season. Kailan yung Avatar season natin? Season 6 ba yun? 7?
7 yata. Season 7 to. Season 7.
Avatar episode.
Avatar na kasi ako. So, hindi. Feeling ko kung meron man talaga, yung disiplina sa health. Yun din, talaga.
Hindi ko pa yung disiplina sa health. Or bumalik na naman kayo sa pag-order ng pagkain sa labas.
No! Ito nga, actually, nag-umpisa na yung transformation ko dyan. As in, alam nyo to, alam ng inner circle na lahat, lahat,
Season 6 po yung nagsimula nang pineflex niya
hanggat
na
kayang magluto. Oh, girl!
Nagluto na
as
siya.
in, nakita mo, bumili ako nung pang-chop ng garlic para talagang preserve, para it's easier for me
Ay,
to
oo,
cook.
pinakita
Yun.
mo nga pala sa akin
Ay,
ng isang
oo.
araw.
Parang, if there's something that needs to be transformed, is my
Yes.
system. Yung system sa kusina, system sa bahay, yun siya.
Yes.
Kaya siya health, kasi it impacts your health talaga dahil you are what you eat. So, yun talaga. So, I think and health is wealth, diba? Parang kain sa labas, talagang, ewan ko, mas mindful na talaga tayo sa kinakain, sa health, and of course, diba, apektuhan niya lahat. Bukod sa katotohanan na ang mahal-mahal sa labas. Like, the value for money, mas sulit talaga na magluto. Ayun, yun yung transformation and the system in our household. Yun, ikaw.
Interesting. Me,
Oo.
that would be, ganun pa din, talagang, okay, fine. I'm really desperate to, like, find that, like, home, like, that permanent place that I can call, like, dito na
Parang
talaga.
iba naman kasi ngayon.
Ito na
Parang
talaga.
Iba naman ng season.
Yung ganun. Yung parang gusto ko na ng ganun. Gusto ko na pagod na akong mag-apply ng visa, pagod na ako mag-apply ng work, ng residence permit, pagod na ako sa mga ganyan. Gusto ko na titira ka na lang. I'm not even begging.
Diba nakakapagod?
I'm not
Oo.
even begging for like a luxurious or, like grand lifestyle. I'm not even begging for that. I just want like a simple lifestyle. You lack nothing. You have everything that you need.
Medyo bawas sa isipin, di ba?
Yung ganun lang. I mean,
Gusto mo na mag-nest. I think
diba,
ano ko sa nesting
nest,
period.
That's nice. Yes.
Oo.
Yun lang naman ang akin. So, sana nga matapos na yung mga struggles sa buhay. Anyway, yan naman ay isang continuous, ever-evolving. And ang pinaka-main point dito is, no matter what happens, kapag nag-fail, kapag hindi nag-workout ang isang bagay, let us always know that there's always an option to reboot. And time is up. Please feel free to re-listen and check out our previous episodes on any platform that you're listening to. We're sure you'll find a perfect company for any time of the day because good conversations never go stale.
And of course, we value your opinion on our podcast topics and would love to feature your insights in our upcoming episodes. You can leave a comment on our social media posts, participate in our polls and Q&A on Spotify and here on YouTube, or send us a message at theboldstars@gmail.com.
What category are we on right now? What category?
At dahil we have arrived, thank you sa lahat naman na ikinig ng The Bold Stars Podcast right now. We are in our season 8 and we're past our 100th episode. I'm so happy. This is our 102nd. Siguro I should stop counting na para ma-surprise ako kapag umabot na tayo ulit ng 150
Hindi, pwede mo na siyang lagyan pag nag-download, pag nag-upload ka na, pwede mo na siyang lagyan. In fairness, oo, humble brag, sabi
Yun
nga ng
nga.
mga
So,
bata ngayon.
But then again, please don't forget to hit that follow and subscribe button in our socials and communities to keep tabs on all the fresh updates when it happens and as it happens. We have X at The Bold Stars, Instagram at The Bold Stars, TikTok at The Bold Stars, and on Facebook at The Bold Stars Podcast. Mayroon ba tayo pa birthday ng February?
Ay,
Or
meron!
Meron,
Sorry, ito
no?
na naman. Ay, meron!
Sino pa birthday?
Oo. Unahin ko na si Tita M, Santiago.
Hello po, happy
Mga favorite ko,
birthday.
syempre, Santiago family. And syempre, si Ed Santiago. Si Gary. Oh, yeah,
Happy
favorite
birthday.
family. At gusto ko i-guess yan eh. Tito Gars. Yes, happy birthday. Isasend ko tong link na to pag na-upload na tong
Yay!
episode sa kanila. Yes, so
Happy birthday,
shout
guys!
out!
And you won't want to skip on all the contents you've got lined up every Monday. Follow us today.
And of course, aside from the birthdays, just wanna quickly shout out din sa Coffee Bam. Of course, kay Mami Inoj. Follow nyo ang Coffee Bam and they also do events.
Yay!
Like if you need coffee for your birthdays, parties, yan.
Tsaka
Shout
support
out
the
and
local
message
businesses, no?
Coffee Bam. Correct. Yes.
Mm.
And because we wanna be... Ay, tapos na tayo dun sa... No, hindi pa pala. And because tayo ay talagang pasabog na sa all platforms, tayo naman yung nag-live streaming. Don't miss out on our What's the Fuzz Live. Mainit na mainit, conquering the brave new world of live streaming. Live na live talaga si What's the Fuzz
Yep.
Live. So,
I
to
agree.
stay updated about What's the Fuzz Live, simply click the follow or subscribe button on our social media accounts, especially on TikTok. Subaybayan nyo kami sa TikTok.
Yes, ma'am.
And you can catch the Bold Stars Podcast on a bunch of podcast apps and radio platforms.
Kagaya
So
na.
we're working on Reels, diba? But yeah, we're on Spotify, Podcasters for Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Podcast, iTunes, and many more.
Dami naman yan. And to our friends
Kasi
and
nga,
families, kahit kasi go. Sabihin mo na. Sige na, mahirap yan
Eh kasi nga wala nang pinatutunayan.
Oh, wow. Yun lang talaga gusto sabihin. Kaya niya ko in-interrupt para lang dun. To our friends and families, old and new, thank you for keeping us company. And as always, no goodbyes, just brand new hellos. Tune in again next time for a new episode.
And here's for more braver questions and bolder conversations. May all your stars align in your favor. This is
The Bold Stars Podcast, Season 8.
One cosmos, countless constellations. Here we spark brave questions and bold conversations. This is the Bold Stars Planting, the universes, galaxies and beyond. Come on in, let's talk.